Good morning from a very rainy, very wet Tirana, Albania. I'm about to check out of the city hotel, which is where I've been staying the last 3 days, and head out into some of Tirana's less touristy neighbourhoods and areas. My first stop, hopefully, all being well, is going to be the city park. It did stop raining for a little bit, but it's now started again. It's coming down pretty heavy. I'm cowering underneath a tree and I'm in the heart of Tirana City Park, a park created in the 1950s. It is very, very popular to come out here in the summer, not so popular when it's raining in the autumn. It's a park, as I said, that was created in the 1950s. There's a lot of things to do here, including cycle paths, running paths, zoos, botanical gardens. There's even an amphitheatre and a war memorial over the other side dedicated to British and Australian troops, from what I can make out, during the Second World War. The lake here behind me is actually artificial. It's made by humanity rather than by Mother Nature. So I think I'm going to take a walk around the edge of the lake back in towards the city, and I'm going to head, I think, towards the markets now to see if I can haggle some prices and get some deals on some gifts to take home with me. See if we can get there without getting too wet as well. Outside the University of Tirana, that's the building straight ahead, and it's in a place called Mother Teresa Square. Mother Teresa was born in modern day North Macedonia, but she famously said that by blood she was Albanian. So up ahead is the concrete pyramid of Tirana, a structure built during the 1980s following the death of dictator Enver Hoxha. And I did a whole video yesterday looking at communist Tirana, and this is one of the places I visited. So if you want to know more about this mysterious structure, then check out my previous video, Communism in Tirana. Okay, so the plan is, I am in the oldest part of Tirana, I believe, and there is a farmers market, a bazaar, a new bazaar somewhere in this area, so that's where I'm gonna try and get to and have a look around. And then after that, I'm hopefully going to head up to a mountain lookout. Got to catch a local bus to get there and then a cable car, so I'm not sure if it's going to pay off. And you can see in the distance there, the mountains, even though it has stopped raining now, are still covered with clouds. So I'm not sure even when I get there I'll have anything to see, but I'm going to give it a go. In the meantime, as I said, I'm going to try and find that new bazaar. Made it to the central market area. Things around here were modernised quite recently in 2016, and there's lots of fruits and vegetables, spices, pots and pans on sale. Up there is the new roof of the market hall, and it's in a really large shopping district, so I'm going to take a look around here and then maybe head out into the streets, explore a little bit further. Okay, just heading down some of these shopping streets now. The rain has stopped for the time being anyway, and I'm just trying to work out where I can catch the bus to the city suburbs. In terms of local shopping areas, this place is definitely the real deal. It is raining again, so I'm going to jump on that bus, get in the dry. Definitely a very hip neighbourhood, very central, maybe 10 minutes walk from Skanderbeg Square in the centre of Tirana. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Just stepped off of that bus right there. I'm up in the mountains just on the edge of Tirana. And now I'm going to try and find the cable car station. Some stunning views over Tirana. I've arrived at the Dajti Express. This is Dajti National Park, and there is a cable car that runs from here up to the top of the mountain. The only problem is, I don't know if you can see across the trees there, the top of the mountain is currently covered by clouds, so I'm not sure if I take the cable car up whether I'm going to have much of a view when I get up there anyway. I've caught the bus, as you've seen, from the centre of Tirana to a place called Porcelain, and the bus ticket cost I think about 30p, which was about 40 lek. So pretty reasonable, got to say, very happy with that. And I'm now going to go inside and see if I can buy a ticket and head towards the top. Well, it looks like I've got my own personal ride. I was mistaken, by the way. The bus to get here is 40 lek, which is 28p in sterling, and the ride cost 800 lek, which is about £5.60 or about €6. It's about a 15-minute ride up to the top of the mountain, as I was saying, and I'm in. Let's just hope I've got a head for heights today. I can't remember ever going on a cable car up the side of a mountain. Whoa, we're picking up a bit of speed now. My goodness. Look at this. This is incredible. The clouds are still covering the top of the mountain, unfortunately, but I'm hoping when I get up there maybe they will clear for a little bit so I can see over the city. That would be a nice end to the video, a nice end to the trip. The cable car is pretty rocky. These were built in Austria, apparently. And the views of the city are already stunning, but there are just loads of scratches all over the little cabin here, which is unfortunate. Never mind, gonna make the most out of it. Look at these views already, phenomenal. You can see as I'm passing over all of this farmland and old houses. It is just incredible to kind of see some of this more rural life up here. Here we go, bit bumpy now. Whoa, long way down. I knew this was going to be a long ride, but I had no idea it was going to go this steep and this high up. Look at where we're heading to. So you can see in the distance there, if I zoom in a touch, cable cars on the other track, and we're going up to the top of there. There's the info sign welcoming me to the national park area, and in here looks like some kind of play area, I guess. Looks like there's shooting of cans and bottles in that area, some seats, and we have plastic bottles on some kind of a fence. People practicing their targeting skills. Just taking a quick walk around, and looks like there is a bar and a hotel up here. Lots of outdoor seating, lots of play equipment, playgrounds, swings, slides for the kids. And over here I did see just a load of agricultural land. You can see there with the incredible trees behind it. Some off-road buggies there as well, so I'm guessing you can do that in the summer. And then something else that caught my eye over here, we got some hens, chickens, cockerels, I'm not sure. It really is mesmerising to see those clouds rolling across the mountains at the top of the national park and at the top of Dajti Mountain. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And so it is. Unfortunately, it's that time where I have to think of a way to end the video and also end this incredible, amazing 7-day road trip around the country of Albania. Today, it all comes to an end. I'm heading back to the UK later on this evening, but I was trying to figure out on the way up here in the cable car a way to end the video, and I figured the only way I could really do it was to show you one more piece of incredible scenery. The view that I've got right ahead of me now, Tirana, the mountains, the hills, I can see lakes, I can even see the sea way over in the distance. So there is only a few things left for me to do, and that's to thank you very much for watching the videos. Hopefully you found them entertaining and helpful if you're planning your own trips here. But from Albania, signing off, thank you very much for watching. Good night, and see you in the next country.